Hi, I'm Jay Griggs, Software Portfolio Manager, and continuing in our series dedicated to productivity, I'm really pleased to share some information on our Ultimate Layout workshop. And just some background on the workshop, it was actually developed through some group training we did with our prior to detailing team, where we discovered different layouts emerging from issuing group exercises with the same plan. So, for example, we give the same plan to 5 different detailers, and you guessed it, we got 5 different layouts. And these were all suitable solutions, but what we found was there was no consistency in terms of the results. And we noticed there were really big variations in terms of price and delivering consistent layouts for builders. So we implemented the same approach with this workshop, and we've had some really great results and discoveries with our participating fabricators. In terms of the goals and the opportunities of the ultimate layout, what we're really trying to do first and foremost is expose all those decisions that your design staff are making when they look at a plan. And we're trying to understand why you're making those decisions. Is it just because you've detailed a certain way for the last 10 or 15 years? Is it because you spoke to a builder one time and this is what they wanted on a particular job? Or is it just that you're really unsure why you make some decisions? And with that exposure, that really leads into these powerful discussions as a team that help identify and document a best practice approach that your team can take. And through that discussion, we might look at making some database and setting changes in production manager. We can implement some standard operating procedures and detailing process or guidelines for your designers to work to for future jobs. And it's actually a great opportunity to look at where we might be able to develop the software in the future to support, more consistent decision making. So that data is really important. Understanding is really important. I guess in terms of the why, it's really at the forefront is understanding what your business wants to achieve from a design perspective. And this might be, getting the best price every single time. It might be a combination of getting the best cost and structural integrity on certain types of trusses or certain design elements in those trusses. And I know when I was detailing, I was really focused on getting the job done and the way I knew how to do it. But I wasn't really thinking, what is it that the business is wants from me? What do they want me to achieve out of this role? So that's really important. We're also looking to really reduce that gap between the cost of a quote and a detailed job. So, trying to win more of that work up front when you quote it and quote more like you detail. And also there's this piece on, achieving better consistency through a team. So, and that's going to translate to your customer on site with your supply. If they've got a certain house type, they'll see the same designs coming through and they'll see that consistency. Um, we've made this workshop available remotely through our LMS portal, and it's just so simple and easy to set up. You can add your participants to run that workshop, and they'll get automatic updates on all the pieces and requirements and what they need to do or prepare for the workshop. So it's really simple. So if you'd like to find out more about the Ultimate Layout Workshop, please reach out to your account manager or our software support help desk. I know this can make a real difference to your business and your design team. Thanks so much for your time.